How do we reconcile our business bank transactions in Xero? Let's get on to it. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Paul Mitchell. I'm the founder of Cloud Accounting Academy. Reconcile your bank accounts is an important part of your business. During the bank rec, you categorize the transactions by coding to relevant ledger accounts. In the background, Xero will update your financial reports. Xero makes really easy by connecting to many financial institutions, such as banks, allowing your bank activity to import directly into your Xero organization, what's known as a bank feed. You just need to set up bank feeds once, and thereafter, your bank statements lines will feed every day. If you do not have bank feed set up yet, instructions on how to do so can find out on our Supercharge Help Center, Xero Central. To access bank reconciliation page, click the link to reconcile your items from the dashboard. On the left-hand side, we have individual bank statement lines that's been coming through the bank feeds. It's our job to categorize as Xero transactions on the right-hand side. As you can see, there are 4 ways to do this: match, create, transfer, and discuss. Matches use when you need to match the statement line to an existing invoice and bills in the system. The create uses when there is no existing invoice and bill in the system. You are required to code the transaction yourself. Transfer use when you are transferring money from one bank account to another. Finally, discuss users when you would like to leave a message regarding the transaction for another Xero user to see, such as your financial advisor. Let's start at the top. First, transaction related to money received as it appeared under received column. For this transaction from Ridgeway University, we can see that Xero has found corresponding invoice in the system. Xero thinks matches the payment. Xero uses amount, date, and payee of the payment as the basis for this match. So it will do this for both the invoices as well as the bills. This case, it's been matched to a sales invoice from Ridgeway University. Our job now is to confirm that the match Xero has been made correct by clicking the OK button, and doing so, the relevant invoice gets marked as paid in the background, and now our financial report will update. The next statement line relates to money spent as it appears in the spent column. We know Smart Agency payment of $4,500 was actually 2 bills that we paid at the same time. This scenario, we are matching the payment to more than 1 bill, so that we can either click the match tab or in this case, find and match. From here, type smart into the search to find the appropriate bills, and here they are. So if you click one of the bills, Xero acknowledges that the payment amount of $4,500 and the bill of $2,000 doesn't match. Therefore, the reconcile button remains gray. However, as soon as we select the other bill, the total of the bills matched the payment and the reconcile button becomes green. Now let's go ahead and click reconcile. We now move on to the use of next tab, create. $15.75 Cooper Street Bakery is just a perfect example, as this is just a simple post payment at the local bakery. There would not be a corresponding bill or receipt in the system. This case, we could create the categorization of new transaction, who in this case is Cooper Street Bakery. You can select the existing contact or you can create one on the fly. The what we have selected, what account we would like transaction to be coded to. So in this case, it's entertainment. The why is not mandatory. It provides you the opportunity to add some extra details. In this case, I'll write staff meeting. Once done, click OK to reconcile. As you can see, there's a second Cooper Street Bakery transaction further down the page. After refresh the page, you can see that who, what, and the why now auto-filled for us. Xero is smart and it learns how we have coded previous transactions suggestions for you. This means it's less data entry. All we need to do is click OK. Richway Bank is another example of Xero's auto suggestion. This, click OK to that one too. The transfer tab you simply use when you transfer money between bank accounts. And this scenario, we transfer $1,000 from business bank account through to the business savings account. To reconcile this, we click transfer. And select the which bank account the money has been transferred to or from. So in this case, only other account that I have set up in Xero is that the business savings account. So I'll leave that and click OK to reconcile. So when this is done, Xero will also record the transfer in the savings account. This means I won't need to register that transfer again in the savings account. Finally, the Discuss tab. The central city parking transaction provides is an example of when Discuss tab could be used. If you are not sure how to reconcile a transaction, you can leave a comment. So that comment then will be visible to any other user who can reconcile, such as your financial advisor. So if you would like to learn more about reconciling in Xero, you can enroll for our Xero Certified Advisor program with Cloud Accounting Academy. Contact us, our hotline number on the video. I'll see you on our next video. If you like our YouTube channel, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And make sure you hit the bell notification. So whenever I post a video, you will get the notification. Until then, stay strong, stay with us.